If you're involved in the manufacture of jigs or fixtures, or even parts that need to be marked for traceability purposes, one of the great features that the ProtoTrack control fitted by XYZ has is the ability to engrave. If you go into your programming mode from the modes menu and you go to begin, by selecting the more feature at the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you will find the engraving feature. The first thing the control will ask you to do is input the coordinates for the point of reference for where the text has to be drawn. This point of reference is set as one of your defaults from the info menu down the left side of the screen. The reference point can be set as either the XY lower left of a box that's drawn around the text, or the centre of the text that you're going to input. We can now specify the rapid height above the workpiece that the tool needs to come to, how deep we want to engrave into the workpiece, and then the height of the text. So for us, maybe 10mm. We can now enter the text that we want to engrave on our part or fixture. This can be done by either plugging in a USB keyboard into the back of the pendant, or from the info menu down the left hand side of the screen, selecting the keyboard option. If you want to expand this keyboard to include numbers, press the 1, 2, 3 button on this virtual keyboard and letters and numbers will appear. This can be moved around by touching the screen and positioning it in a suitable place. So now we can type in the text that we want to appear. To close the virtual keyboard off, just press the X in the top right corner of that keyboard to close it off. Or press the keyboard button on the info menu. With the text now put in, select the RPM that you wish the tool to run at, the feed rate that you're going to plunge in at, the profiling feed rate, and the tool you're going to use. Now, to go into the tool table, you can specify the tool size that you intend to use, into setup, do a toolpath view if you wish, or use the verify for the full definition of what the machine will do to engrave your text. If you'd like to arrange a desktop demo of the ProtoTrack control at your facility, or even a visit to one of our showrooms all around the country to discuss how Engrave or any of the other features in the ProtoTrack control can benefit your business, contact us using the details on the screen.